In this segment, we will review the operating procedure for our medium-size Versafoam kits. For this demonstration, we will use Versafoam System 15. When you're ready to start, be sure to put on the proper protective equipment, safety goggles, respirator, and protective clothing. For more information, please review the section on safety equipment. The Versafoam System 15 kit is easy to use. First, shake the tanks vigorously. Open the lid and remove the flap. Remove the packet containing the operating instructions, 10 mixing nozzles, nitrile gloves, and packet of petroleum jelly. You will see the 2 chemical tanks with the gun and hose assembly attached. Unwrap the gun hose assembly and straighten the hoses. On the white tank containing the B component, you will find a plastic temperature strip with the colors blue, green, and red. It will tell you if the chemicals are within the proper temperature range to produce quality foam. The strip should indicate green. If the strip indicates blue, the chemicals are too cold. Warm the tanks with a heater or move them into room temperature for a minimum of 24 hours until the strip indicates green. If the strip indicates red, the chemicals are too warm. Move the kit into an air-conditioned area for a minimum of 24 hours until the strip indicates green. If you do not have time to do this, place the chemicals in cold water until the indicator turns green. If you quickly warm or cool the chemicals by artificial means, shake the tanks for a minute or two. You want to be sure that the temperature is uniform throughout before you start using the kit. Be sure to recheck the strip periodically during the application to make sure the temperature stays in range. First, tighten the valve nuts. Then, open the valves part way and check to make sure there are no leaks. If there are no leaks, open the valves all the way. You will see chemicals flowing through the hoses. The A chemical coming from the green tank is dark in color. The B chemical coming from the white tank is lighter in color. Before you start your application, make sure everything is functioning properly by making a test shot into a wastebasket. Disengage the safety, pull the trigger, and dispense at full pressure to make sure chemical is feeding from both tanks and is reacting properly to make good quality foam. Take the gun. Place a small amount of petroleum jelly around the O-ring that surrounds the gun face. Take a mixing nozzle from the packet and install it on the gun. Line up the locking arms with the slots on the gun body and push the nozzle firmly in place. A clicking sound means the nozzle is secure. Good quality foam has the consistency of shaving cream and is light beige in color. The foam begins to expand after a few seconds and dries to the touch in less than 1 minute. If the foam looks different from this or behaves differently, review the section on troubleshooting to learn how to remedy the situation. Continue to dispense foam until you have finished the immediate area you want to cover. The A and B chemicals combine in the nozzle to produce your foam. Remember, if you stop dispensing for more than 30 seconds, the foam will solidify and you will have to replace the nozzle. 10 nozzles are included in every kit. The Versafoam System 15 kit yields approximately 16 cubic feet of foam, or 200 square feet at a depth of 1 inch.